learners. Today I will introduce an useful and exciting topic: how to create professional presentations within minutes using AI powered tool. We will start with a tool called Gamma. In this, based on the prompt you given, it will generate the PPT. Let's dive right into the website. Go to gamma.app and log in. If you don't have an account yet, sign up. It's free and quick. Once you logged in, you will see a clean, easy to navigate dashboard. On the dashboard, click on Create New and select Paste in Text. Gamma will now ask you for the topic or prompt to start. This is where the AI magic really begins. For example, let's say we need a presentation on AI. Now give the prompt. If you want, you can also give the detailed prompt. Then hit Generate. In Gamma, you have the flexibility to customize the number of slides in your presentation as per your needs. This allows you to add or reduce slides freely. After adjusting our requirements, click on Generate. Also, we have the flexibility to change the templates, enabling us to select different styles and layouts that best align with the tone and purpose of our presentation. After choosing the template, click on Generate. After clicking Generate, Gamma creates a professional presentation with clean alignments and relevant images, ensuring a polished and visually engaging final product. Gamma offers an option to present directly from the website, allowing for a seamless and convenient presentation experience without needing to download the file. Gamma provides an export option, allowing us to download the presentation as PDF or PowerPoint files for easy sharing and offline access. This is how you can create the presentation using Gamma. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more related content. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching.